I'm gonna work.
Wait till they worry this one. Who will be this one?
Jesus. Let's have it. Let's have it. Jesus! Hey!
Alright guys, so record yourself as you do this. Alright, now after this, you record your second clip, which is this one. Okay, now let's do the editing. Come here. Now, the moment you drop your hand this way, touch on the clip. Now click on split. Okay, move forward. Just as you're about to jump up, alright, touch on the clip. Now click on split. Right, now come to this middle one, touch on it. Now click on delete to take it out. We don't need it, okay? Alright, now come here. Come to this second clip. Now, just as you're about to stand up, touch on the clip. Right? Now, click on split. Okay? Now, come to this part, touch on it. Now, click delete to take it out. We don't need it. Okay? Now, here, touch on this one. Move this way. Click overlay to step it down. Now, drag this one this way. Drag it to this place. Okay? Make sure it's at this point you made this split. Okay, now with this one still highlighted, move this way. Click on remove BG, auto remover. Okay, now click on this. Right, now come back here. Okay, touch on the clip again. Now click on splice. Right, now click on filter and drag filter to 80. Okay, click on this. With this one still highlighted, move this way. Click on opacity and drag it to 70. Click on this. Right? Now watch. I can see that it does not align very well, right? Come to this point. This place you made your split. Touch on this one. Okay, move this icon this way. Now click on freeze. Now the freeze has turned this part to picture, right? Now hold on it and drag it this way. Okay, now watch. Now at this point you hit him, touch on this picture part. Okay, now click on split. Now with this one highlighted, click on delete to take it out. We don't need it. Okay, now watch. Alright. Now if you notice here, the way this second clip disappeared was very rough. Okay, look at it. Right, very rough. The same thing with the beginning, the way it appeared. Watch. You see, very rough. Now to correct that, touch on this second clip. Now move this way, click on animations. Okay, now here type fade in, then search. Click on this one. Okay, now click on animation again. This time click on out. Right, touch on this one, then write fade out. Search. Click on this one. Okay, now watch. Can see it's smoother. Let's watch the end parts. You see, smooth as well. Now come here. Now at this point that you hit him, come to this place. Now click on audio. Alright, sounds. Now here, type punch on the body. Right now, click on this to add it. Watch. Okay, now touch on the sound. Click on split. Alright, now this excess part, we don't need it. Click on delete to take it out. So with this, your video is done. Let's watch the full video. You see, very simple to do, right? Now from here, you can go ahead and add other sounds that you want to, okay? So please share this video massively. Thank you very much.